falling in Springfield, Illinois, with a temperature of 70
So I missed this alert because I wasn't home.
It was mostly cloudy. The temperature
But it goes until 3 a.m.
and the wind was southwest.
And they probably issued it like 5 minutes before I got home.
Do some pattern work. Shortly after takeoff, we heard from Sector Juneau that there was a hunter who was stranded over by Rodman Bay, unable to get to his boat. As we approached Rodman Bay, we tried to contact the hunter on Channel 16.
First calling Coast Guard, we are Channel 16 over.
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 187, effective until 3 a.m. Thursday. This watch includes the following county: Madison County, Illinois, and Lincoln County, Missouri. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 187 has been issued until 3 a.m. Thursday for the following county: Madison County, Illinois, and Lincoln County, Missouri. The current